Hello everyone, welcome to ValueVideoz. Today I am going to explain you the concepts of DMPLS, that is domestic MPLS, and GMPLS, that is global MPLS. I would like to make it clear that I am not going to cover any MPLS concepts or configuration related information in this video. Some organizations use these terms to differentiate between the intranet and the internet traffic, and it will also be easier to identify the fault if there are any reachability issues. So let me explain you these concepts with the topology, as you can see in the screen over here. Assume that there is a US based company which has set up some branches in India. The Bangalore would be the hub site, Kolkata would be the spoke site. In real time there would be multiple hubs and multiple spoke sites, and there would be multiple links connecting these sites as well. But just for ease, I only used one hub, one spoke site, and only one link connecting them. And also assume that AT&T is the network service provider for this particular organization. But within India, AT&T has to take help of any local provider like Airtel or BSNL. Assume that it is BSNL that would be the local service provider within India. So in order for the spoke site to connect to the hub site, the traffic goes through domestic MPLS. So domestic MPLS is nothing but the BSNL's cloud. So the internet and the internet traffic first goes through the BSNL's cloud, that is domestic MPLS, and reaches the Bangalore hub site. And once the traffic reaches the Bangalore hub site, there would be two different routers, one to carry the intranet traffic through GMPLS, that would be AT&T's cloud, to the company's data center. Assume this data center is located in the United States, and if the traffic is the internet related traffic, then the traffic goes through the gateway router through the AT&T GMPLS cloud again, and then it reaches the internet service provider or the relevant server that the internet traffic is destined to. This is the main reason these two terms are actually used in some of the organizations. Assume that there is latency or packet drops when a user in Kolkata spoke site is trying to access either the intranet or the internet traffic. Based on where exactly the drops are or where exactly the latency is, we will be able to identify the traffic and let the relevant supplier know the information so that they will be able to diagnose it in an easy way. So if the traffic is getting dropped between the spoke and the hub site, then there is definitely something to do with the DMPLS. So we'll get hold of BSNL to get that checked. In the same way, if the traffic is getting dropped at the hub site when it's reaching the data center, then it's something to do with the AT&T service provider. Or if it's an issue with the internet traffic, then we'll also get this checked with the AT&T to figure out where exactly the fault is. So this is how these terms like DMPLS, domestic MPLS, and GMPLS are used in real time. So it will really be helpful for us to know these terms, because when we come across such kind of an issues, it will be easier for us to identify where exactly the fault is, and the troubleshooting would be easier. I hope this information has been very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching ValueVideoz. You have a nice day. Bye bye.